The HPGM series of high-pressure grinding roll developed and produced by Shandong Huate Magnet Technology Company Limited is a new generation of highly efficient, energy-saving and environmentally friendly ore grinding equipment optimized and upgraded on the basis of absorbing the advanced technology and processes of similar equipment at home and abroad. The equipment also has the advantages of low investment cost, high degree of automation, low unit wear, low working noise, less dust pollution, small floor space, and convenient maintenance and repair. The main structure of a Huate Magnet's HPGM series high-pressure grinding roll includes main frame, roll shaft system, feeding device, grinding roller housing, hydraulic and lubrication system, power and transmission system, and a monitoring system. The main frame is the foundation of the entire grinding roll machine, and it bears all the reaction forces of extrusion and crushing. It adopts an I-shaped structural design and is verified by computer finite element analysis to ensure that the rigidity and strength of the structure meet theoretical requirements. Welded with high-quality, high-strength steel plates, the overall annealing process is performed after the welding is completed to eliminate welding stress. Use steel pins to position the main components of the frame to ensure the best assembly accuracy during installation. High-strength bolts are used to connect the frame together, and the tightening torque of the bolts strictly complies with the assembly requirements so that the frame does not loosen and deform during long-term operation. Both ends of the shaft body adopt a conical design to facilitate this assembly of the main bearing. The roller shaft system adopts a slip structure, which is composed of forged steel shaft body and a composite bushing. The composite bushing is inlaid with carbide studs on the outermost part, making the roller more suitable for ore grinding and achieving a higher service life. The main bearing adopts double-row spherical roller bearings from well-known manufacturers, which can be automatically aligned during use, has large load bearing capacity and long service life. The feeding device feeds the materials into the grinding roller pressure area of the equipment evenly and quantitatively. The device is machined from high-quality wear-resistant steel plates. In parts with serious wear, a high-hardness wear-resistant alloy layer is installed, which greatly increases the service life of the feeding device. The size of the feed opening can be adjusted according to process requirements and site conditions, thereby accurately controlling the feed volume of the equipment. The grinding roller housing is installed outside the two grinding rollers. Not only can it prevent accidental carrots and equipment damage, but it can also seal off the crushing area and prevent dust from entering the grinding roller bearings. There are inspection holes on both sides of the grinding roller housing, so that the wear of the roller surface can be tracked at any time when the equipment is running. The hydraulic system provides the required high-pressure extrusion and crushing force to the grinding roller. For double-acting oil cylinders, apply hydraulic pressure evenly to the movable roller bearing seat. Once the equipment's feeding system fills, the double-acting cylinder can be used to pull back the movable roller in time to increase the roller gap and facilitate troubleshooting. The valve station consists of two large capacity accumulators and an electromagnetic relief valve, which plays the role of stabilizing the cylinder pressure and protecting the hydraulic system. The pumping station is placed separately from the main unit of the HPGR to ensure that the pumping station is not affected by dust. The lubrication system is used for the lubrication of the main bearings and the lubrication between the movable roller bearing seat and the guide rail. This lubrication system can adapt to dusty working environments and ensure that the main bearing and the movable roller bearing seat always maintain good lubrication conditions under long-term working conditions. The power unit consists of two high-voltage three-phase asynchronous motors, which provide the main power source for the entire HPGR. The transmission system uses two planetary reducers produced by internationally renowned manufacturers, a pair of torque supports with load sharing, shock absorption and buffering functions, two sets of cross-shaft universal joint transmission shafts, have the characteristics of high transmission efficiency, large transmission torque, smooth transmission, good lubrication conditions, and large node inclination angle. The monitoring system is distributed in each main mechanism of the HPGM series high-pressure grinding roll to monitor main signals and parameters in real time. The main monitoring data includes the roll gap between the two grinding rollers, the main bearing temperature, the hydraulic system pressure, and the oil volume of the lubrication system. The monitoring system transmits various important parameters to the main control system in real time, realizing automatic control of the production line, including parameter indication, fault alarms, and interlocking shutdowns of the entire process equipment. The main working process of Huate magnets HPGM series high-pressure grinding roll is as follows. Large pieces of ore are fed into the grinding roller pressure zone in the HPGM series high-pressure grinding roll through the feeding device. The two oppositely rotating rollers utilize the principle of high-pressure bed grinding and adopt the working method of unit crushing cluster to squeeze the ore under high pressure, so that the particle size of the large ore is significantly reduced. Among them, the fine powder content of ore smaller than 0.08 millimeters reaches 20% to 30%, and the content of ore smaller than 2 millimeters exceeds 70%. All extruded ore particles have a large number of cracks. When going to the next grinding process, the grinding energy consumption can be greatly reduced.